Welcome back to Dipansh Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Game Maker in Sandbox. Okay, so if you want to know how to create an account, you can go to the Sandbox Game. It's a YouTube channel of the Sandbox team, and it will show you how to create an account. So first, you have to go to sandbox.game. After you do it, you'll have a sign up button over here. So instead of these two buttons, you'll have a sign up button, and then you have to click it. Okay, so after you have been logged in like me, you have a page like this, showing you everything, the new games that are coming, the upgrade for avatar, and a lot of other stuff. So first, what we need to do is find create, and then there will be two things. We will have the Game Maker and we will have the Vox edit. So what's the difference between the Vox edit and the Game Maker? The Vox edit will actually let you create assets to publish in the marketplace and get your money. But the Game Maker allows you to create games. So what we need to do is go to create and then press download. There's only for Mac OS and Windows. So when using Windows, so let's press Windows and download Game Maker. So then after a little bit time, it takes some time. So let's wait. So for now, I'm going to off my laptop voice because that it will be very noisy after you on it. There will be a long doing of it. So yes, let's wait. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After you have installed it, we can open it. Then it will show you a page like this. Do you want to open this file? Blah, 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 blah. So we will just download it, open. We'll press open so we can cut it, and then we can go to the place you saved it. Just wait a second, I saved it. This place. Okay. So here you will have your everything of the Game Maker. So you can click and so you can move it wherever you want. I want to move it to the documents. Okay, so where is it? Now right click it and press extract all. You can put it to this one and then you can extract. So wait a second, it is loading. Okay, so now it is loaded. This is the Sandbox Game Maker, other application. So what we can do is go into this, right click it and press pin to start. And then everything will be okay. So now over here, we should have still nothing. Okay, so now let's go back to a file and then let's open it. It will take some time to load because it's a very big application. You can press yes. It will take time. So welcome to the Sandbox Game Maker. Sandbox Maker setup. Next, you'll have to choose the folder. I'm going to put this in the programs file, the Sandbox Maker. Next, you'll have everything for this. Zoom in there with just the code. So select the start menu in which you would select to create the program shortcuts. You can also create a name to create a folder. So we'll just put it in the Sandbox Maker. Let's install it. It'll take some time. The computer is very fast, so yeah, it will be done in a few seconds. Boom, 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 music, download C++. Sandbox Maker, install, quiet. We have to wait a few seconds and yeah, it'll be done. So it will take a long time installing this. So let me show you some stuff on the main website. So in the home page, there will be nothing to see. There will be only some articles. Okay, it's doing it right now. Right. So there will be only some articles, and here you can create your own avatar. Like for me, I like to create my avatar look like me. So yeah, this is basically my avatar. There's a lot of avatars you can make. Now, next thing is the marketplace. Well, you should know Snoop Dogg. He's very famous. So right now, these are a lot of assets that you can buy. It's still remaining. And there are some lands you can buy after you're good in programming in Sandbox. Now, one sand coin is SGD. So the sand to SGD conversion, the Singapore dollar, is 1.84. So 1.84 is the time and how much it is in Singapore dollars. So these are all the marketplace. The next thing is the voxel. I already told you about this, but what happened in the avatar? You can create your own avatar, you can become your avatar, you can create a style, get social. It's basically just creating an avatar. Now, socialize in the virtual world. What is this? This is the Sandbox Alpha. The Sandbox Alpha, you can play games. Okay, so now you can play games in the Sandbox Alpha. Now the Sandbox Maker setup is done. So run the Sandbox Maker, create a desktop shortcut, and then you can finish. So now the Sandbox Maker is going to get on. So it is made by Unity. You need to remember your password because you need to put your password and your user ID. You don't have to put a MetaMask or a Bitski wallet password or the 12-word configuration. So till this is opening, let me tell you more. So we can wait for the program to respond. This will basically happen in the first time. It will take a lot of time now because it's the first time. Now let's check in the map. What is the map? The map is basically a whole place of games. Call it like that. There are a lot of games over here. You can even search a lot of games. But I'm gonna play them. It takes some time loading it, so let me try the map. It will take some time for this one. Let's now go back to home. You open laggy for the first time. Okay, let's go to Sandbox Maker and still download the asset. So let me tell you something about the Sandbox Maker. This Sandbox Maker game is so important. Now what? You can publish this wraps if you want to publish it in your land by using your MetaMask or wallet. Then you can buy a land. Now let me just close this. Okay, so what will happen after this? I will show you. So after it has all loaded and we downloaded it successfully, what will happen is that basically it will ask you for your name and your password. I can put my password and then I can log in. So it will ask me for the username and password. I will put it there and I'm not going to tell you my password. So after you put it will show you something like this. So it will have drafts, templates, so you can see there will be a lot of other stuff. Then there will be a draft gallery where there will be a lot. So let me show you how to play a game. So from my draft, go to the draft gallery and then you'll have, wow, so many games to play. Aha! I knew that. So you can click on a game and press play. And then after that, it will take some time to load it. And then it will be successfully loaded. So just wait some time. And then the game will get loaded. So I didn't know that. So not every game will be like this. Set the mode to a first-person player. That's why it looks like this. So first, you can see the shadow of the player. So this is how basically game can look like. These are all the assets that you can do. So these are all over here are assets that you bought from the library. So what do I mean by the library? Basically, by the library, I mean that it's a place where you can get a lot of stuff. Like in the library of games or the library of books, like that is the library. That's where you get everything, right? So, that's where you get the books, the library. And then is where you will get the assets. So, how to play? So, if you're in a game maker, so space to jump, watch to move, shift only to crouch and move. And now, Sandbox, encoding in Sandbox isn't really that hard. It's just very simple. So what do I mean by that? I mean by very simple, very simple. You will know like coding like Python or JavaScript or anything. Like I can say it by just looking at the game. Didn't use any more coding. I can lead them to there. Okay. Now shift to sprint. Okay, okay. So yeah, this is basically the game. So here, what we need is to just add. Now I hope you like the tutorial of